Dear students, in this video I am going to take up the equations which are reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables and how to solve them. So let us take the example 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equals to 13, and the second equation is 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equals to minus 2. Now if you look at this equation, we can easily see that 2 upon x can be written as 2 into 1 upon x. In the same way, 3 upon y can be written as 3 into 1 upon y. And this is the concept which we are going to use to solve them in a proper manner. So let us consider 1 upon x as another variable a and 1 upon y as b. So let 1 upon x is equals to a and 1 upon y is equals to b. Now if I write this, what do I get? I get 2a plus 3b is equals to 13, and the second equation becomes 5a minus 4b is equals to minus 2. If you look at these two equations now with the variables a and b, the solution becomes quite easy. I can use substitution method, or I can use elimination method or cross multiplication method to get the values of a and b. And then I will put them in the value 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b, and I will get the value of x and y. So let us solve it. Now to solve these two equations, I will be using elimination method. So to eliminate any one of the variable, I have to multiply the first variable with 5 and the second equation I will multiply with 2. So I get 10a plus 15b is equals to 65, and here I will get 10a minus 8b is equals to minus 4. Let us subtract these two equations. A is eliminated, so I get 23b is equal to 69. So I get the value of b as 69 upon 23, which is 3. And when I put the value of b in any one of these equations, I get the value of a. So 2a plus 9 is equals to 13. So 2a is equals to 13 minus 9. So I get a is equals to 4. Upon 2, so it is 2. So therefore, I get a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. Just finding out some space so that I can explain it further. Now 1 upon x is equals to a, which is equals to 2. So it implies that x is equals to 1 upon 2. In the same manner, 1 upon y is equals to b, which means 1 upon y is equals to 3, or y is equals to 1 upon 3. So I have got the value of x as 1 by 2 and y as 1 by 3. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.